Edo State produced Tomoyabu. Edo State produced Comrade Adam. So this is evidence that you have all the opportunities that God can give to you. So please, we take those seriously. That's why we are here. Want to encourage you to please ensure that these elections are free, fair, and credible. Everybody will go finish and go back to their homes. We are the ones who are going to live here. And IPOB chairman, please, it is not true that whatever results come out, innocent God wants it. Please, what are rule and get one? We are not finished yet until we are going to all everything as an opportunity to explore the remedies they can find. When you finish, whether Supreme Court, it is because there is nowhere to go after Supreme Court. That's why you can say, okay, God, I have nowhere else to go. I live in your heart. So please, we are like to appeal to all contestants. By the time we come here, please try and resolve the problems. There are challenges for the resolution of the problem. The peace committee has the mechanisms to help when it is necessary, collaboration with IPOB and ICP to resolve something. We don't want to come here on the day of this event before we start hearing grievances that people expect. Please, let's respect the process, respect the environment, and we come here just to accompany you, and like I say, we can no cry more than you. So, once again, on behalf of the chairman of the peace committee, let us thank God for our great country, Nigeria. They had elections in Venezuela last month. As we are talking now, the candidate who said he won the election has fled, he is now living in Spain. So let us thank God that we have the opportunity in Nigeria to spread our hands in search of justice. We continue to pray that God will strengthen the judicial processes, strengthen all our institutions. There will come a time, there will come a day when the election will be free, fair, and credible. And like somebody said, when they observed elections in Ghana many years ago, they said the elections were free, they were fair, but they were not free from fear. So, as we can see, there is no fear, and we don't have a PNR for election. I wish we have. But as you can see, they've been playing football for over 100 years. Still, the rules have changed. So please, we hope that every failure, correction will be made, and the next election will be better. And we are thankful to God that Nigerians are learning the lesson, becoming confident about elections as a legitimate and only means of people getting to power, and that the worst election cannot be remedied by another election. So once again, I want to thank His Excellency the Governor of Edo State, thank all the political actors, and thank all of you for being here with us. May God bless us, may God bless the state of Edo, may God bless our dear country, Nigeria. For you, the media people, who did most of the work, the decorations here, and everybody, on behalf of this committee, I want to thank you for doing such a wonderful job. God bless you all. IPOB, thank you very much. Chairman of IPOB, General Nagway, Professor. This is your hometown, which is not be the one thanking you. Professor Kukah is a several daughter of the Edo State. We thank you for being here. Our chairman, once again, thank you very much, and may God strengthen every part of your body so that sooner than later you will work as the military officer that you will. Once again, thank you very much, and God bless you all.